Yep, ingress point Charlie.
Canary 2 setting up on trail.
Roger that. Canary, yellow.
Canary 1 radio check 814.
Got the fuck out of it.
Roger.
Yeah, be advised. Roger inbound. Be advised that Gold Line Miller, we're basically taking contact from our northeast and northwest. Just let the fuck up, please. Split the task and speaking of time.
1 is inbound, guns, rockets.
Roger that, we'll talk about it later. Thanks, Dad.
Guns from go.
Stay again?
Guns.
Oh, guns, roger.
Be advised, Canary 1's inbound, Charlie with rockets.
Rockets.
Roger. Roger, rockets.
Outbound Ringo.
Roger, outbound.
Canaries, be advised, try to use your rockets in those trees. It's gonna be hard to see them.
Outbound.
Canary 2 defensive.
Fact, Fiber 2.
Send for fact.
ETA on resupply, over.
Stand by.
Roger. ETA, follow break.
5 mics, resupply over.
Rerun
Roger.
mission, over.
Viper 2 fact.
Roger, repeat last.
Send it.
5
Confirm.
mics. 5 mics, best case scenario.
Roger, 5 mics. Any further?
That is all for fact.
Hey, you think we should return back and get some fuel after this?
No, we should be good for a little while.
Alright. When would you say
Fact,
Viper 3.
fuel on fuel?
Bingo, fucking,
Viper 3.
I think. So it's like, you know, less than a quarter of the way, pretty much. So it's like already in the red, but like halfway through red, I guess, I don't know.
CP2 and objective flash, over.
Roger, updating recon marks of CP2 and objective flash.
Solid right, Viper 3 out.
Be advised, Canary 1 is inbound, Charlie.
Canary 2 inbound.
Canaries, are you still running that fucking CAS?
Affirm, 1 is inbound, guns, rockets.
Roger.
Guns.
Roger, guns, be advised, man pads on the path. Or one
Roger.
man pad. Just trying to make it.
Roger, Mayday, or get out of there.
Rockets.
Roger, rockets.
Ringo, you didn't protect me.
We're fucking trying, man.
1 is outbound on the north.
Roger.
2 outbound south.
Roger, rerun mission.
Roger.
Canary 2 RTV for Air.
Roger.
And yet again, a single canary.
Alright.
Gotta go, Ringo. I need to put a band-aid on my own doctor.
What the fuck?
Roger.
Are you on 81.4 listening to this?
Canary, are you?
No, I'm not.
Roger, Canary 1.
Fucking Miller's just like, Ringo, I need to put a band-aid on my helicopter.
Canary 1, Viper 2.
Send it.
Status on rerun, over.
We'll be inbound 10 seconds.
Roger, rerun this mission one more time and you're good to buzz off, over.
Roger. Interrogative, are they still on the yellow line?
A little bit more northeast of that, like, sort of where the objective Hulk marker is in the forest, so if you want to just light that shit up too.
Roger, inbound Charlie.
Roger,
Set
inbound.
my long-range all 3 radio, or all 3.
Guns, rockets.
Roger, guns. Guns, rockets.
If I can switch
Primary 1, 5-2.
Send it.
BD follow break. Thank you so much for your help, break. Good to Razor CAS to Victor 2, over.
Roger, BDA's good effect. Clear Razor.
Send it.
Back, Canary 1.
Send it.
Be advised, we are Razor 2, Victor 2.
Roger that.
Back rear 2, be advised, ETA 6 miles, front police squad, parting base, 30 seconds, over.
Roger that, 6 line.